What if I told you that just 5 simple practices each day could make you calmer, stronger, more focused, and deeply fulfilled? No expensive books, number 5 a.m. workouts, no endless to-do lists, just a Stoic-inspired routine, practiced by emperors, warriors, and philosophers for over 2,000 years. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to build a powerful daily routine that aligns your life with the wisdom of the Stoics and helps you level up without burning out. Stick around to the end because step 5 is what most people miss and it changes everything. Welcome to Wisdom of Stoicism, your home for practical philosophy, personal growth, and real inner strength. If you're ready to take control of your time, your emotions, and your mindset, this is the place for you. Now let's get into your Stoic self-improvement routine. 1. Morning stillness. Start the day like a Stoic, before the world rushes in. Marcus Aurelius began each day in silence, asking himself, what kind of day do I want to have? What kind of person will I be? Take just 5 minutes when you wake up. Sit quietly. No phone, no noise, just you. Breathe. Center yourself. Ask, what can I control today? What virtues will guide me? Patience, courage, wisdom. This stillness isn't weakness, it's power. It sets your direction before distractions take over. 2. Practice negative visualization. Prepare your mind for life's surprises. The Stoics had a strange but powerful habit. They imagined things going wrong, losing a job, a flat tire, a betrayal, even death, not to dwell but to prepare. Epictetus said, what upsets people is not things themselves, but their judgments about these things. For 2 minutes daily, ask yourself, what's the worst that could happen today? Now imagine handling it with calm. It makes you stronger, and nothing can catch you off guard. 3. Daily action list. Focus only on what truly matters. Don't let your life be hijacked by endless to-dos. The Stoics believed in purposeful action. Ask, what one thing must I do today to move forward? Write it down. Then list 2 to 3 small, essential tasks. That's it. Quality over quantity. Seneca warned, it is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. You're not here to be busy. You're here to be better. 4. Midday mindfulness. Recenter before the storm pulls you away. Around midday, most people spiral: emails, stress, noise. The Stoic trick? Pause and reflect. Take 3 minutes. Breathe. Ask, have I acted in line with my values so far? Am I reacting or responding with reason? Marcus Aurelius would write midday reflections in his journal. You can do it too. Even a moment in the bathroom stall or at your desk counts. This is where you reset instead of unraveling. 5. Evening self-examination. Growth comes from honest reflection. At night, most people escape. Netflix, scrolling, numbing out. The Stoics did the opposite, they reflected. Seneca asked himself, what did I do well today? Where did I fall short? What can I do better tomorrow? This is not self-judgment. It's self-correction. Take 5 to 10 minutes. Journal, or simply think. This one habit builds the foundation for real self-improvement. Digital detachment. Protect your peace. Turn your phone off 30 minutes before bed. Reclaim your attention. No philosopher ever said, I wish I had scrolled more. Protect your energy for what truly matters. That's it. Simple, powerful, Stoic. Just 5 practices: morning stillness, negative visualization, purposeful action, midday check-in, evening reflection. Stack them, make them part of your life. Because self-improvement isn't about changing your whole world overnight. It's about mastering each moment, one day at a time. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm to share Stoic wisdom with others. Subscribe for more real-life lessons from Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca. And comment below, which part of this routine are you starting today?